Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today we have another episode of What's on the Porch. You're not going to believe what this is. It's a damn Luxury Divas box. I'm not supposed to have a Luxury Divas box, but here it is. Y'all know the last Luxury Divas box, if you watched that video, did not go well. I signed up for like a little 3-month trial at a discount. That was supposed to be the end of it. I even went to my account to make sure. I saw nothing in my account that this was going to auto-renew, but it did. There's no option on their website for me to manage that, which is odd. So, of course, I emailed them. And we went through the whole argument of the auto-renew, and she canceled it for me. But the same day that I was invoiced, this box shipped, which I still don't understand why you would charge somebody, you know, like on the 26th of the month is when they charged me for the February box. That's just kind of odd. But of course, I'm cranky with them, so I'm a little salty. So I explained to the young lady what happened with the last box, with the bag of popcorn being open, and she responded in her email that she said, and I quote, "I assure you, we would not have sent a box to you with an open bag of popcorn." Well, I can assure you that you did, because I opened it. And thank goodness that I opened it on camera, because I have proof. So anyway, she refunded me for 2 months. She told me that I could refuse this box or send it back, which I'm not going through all the trouble to do that. It's here. I'm interested now to open it to see what kind of experience I'm going to have with this one. And she refunded me $7 for the January box with the popcorn and the hair problems. Okay. So let's see. What wonders abound? What adventures shall we find in this February Luxury Diva box, the box of love? Total box value is $130. Already, y'all, look, the paper's ripped. I'm kidding. Everybody needs to just calm down. Alright, so we have some jewelry, it looks like. Won't it be funny if I love this box? That will be frickin' hilarious. This is a bracelet. That actually is super cute. Of course, I wonder if it's gonna turn. It has a really nice weight to it. It's heavy. Got a cute little heart on it, and it's silver, which is my color. I feel like that would drive me crazy. I don't know, but it's cute. I like it. So far we're off to a good start. Let's see. Sterling silver plated single heart toggle bracelet is $28. And then these are cute. We have some little heart earrings that will match it. And these are $23. Sterling silver plated double heart drop hook earrings. I like those. Those are cute. Not going to try them on, but I like them. We have freaking candy. Brock's Tiny Conversation Hearts candy. Oh, I need to send these to Simply Stuff. Sure do. They're Brock's. My grandmother, for any of you that are older gals. Do you remember going into the grocery store and they would have those big bins of the Brock's candy, and they had the scoops and a bag, paper bag, and you would buy the candy by the pound? My grandmother used to do that all the time. Next we have hot chocolate self-heating clay mask. Pamper skin with soothing chocolate and natural clay that heats on contact, then cools to leave the skin rejuvenated. There's 2 in here. It says 24 karat gold and hot chocolate face mask, and they're $15. Distributed by Miss Spa, which is a woman-owned brand. So those are nice. I'll be interested. I love a good clay mask. And I have used a couple of warming masks. They're really nice. Next we have this this nice little purse. Red plaid shoulder bag is $28. I was kidding about the hideous. It is really cute. It feels very cheaply made though. The strap is really, really thin. It's a Luxury Diva brand. The inside of it is like a felt. It's nice and soft. It has a snap closure. It is cute, and I like a little small bag. You know, if you're going shopping for the day or something, just something big enough to put your wallet and your phone or your cards and your phone in to carry around with you is nice. But this is absolutely not my style. But I'm not mad about it because they don't know what my style is. I will probably put that in the giveaway box. And actually, at some point, I might do a giveaway and just fill this up with goodies. Did I tell you what that retails for? I did. $28. The last thing in the box is a shirt. Don't chew on that. Dexter is already chewing on the bag. Apparently he don't like it either. The next item in the bag is a shirt, and it retails for $36, and it's very shiny. I don't know if this is... It's a little unboxing ASMR there for you. It's very soft. I was not expecting that gold to feel that soft. Oh, is it a heart? It's got a heart on it. I believe that's a heart. It is a heart. That's super cute. It's very soft. I believe that might be too short for me. That's cute though. That is not what I thought it was going to be, but that's really cute. So that's what was in my February Luxury Diva box, which, you know, $130. And it's, you know, all about love and stuff, and I got it in March. So this absolutely is my last Luxury Diva box because I am not impressed at all. There will be no link. I do not recommend. My honest opinion. I know that there are lots of people out there that absolutely love their Luxury Diva box. and they have not had any bad experiences with them. You know, some of us do, some of us don't. So you have to decide whether you want to take the chance on that. So that's all I've got to say about Luxury Divas. We will never speak on it again. But you can go down here. You can go down here and show that like button some love for me. It really does help out my channel. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, what we going to talk about? Tackle box? You would be styling with this cute little red plaid tackle box. You know, because I mean, look at it. It almost looks like those baskets. You know, the baskets with the lid. So you want Mama to send this to you for you to use it as a cute little tackle box? Okay, Mama loves you, boo.